Welcome, tech explorers, to a fascinating journey into the secrets of ancient Egypt's obelisks. I'm Lisbeth, your guide on the Promote Tech 360 channel. But before we uncover how Neo, Trinity, and I unveil the mysteries of ancient obelisks for the Na'vi in the Avatar world, let's not forget the mystery left lingering from our last video. Hold on tight because your guesses were not just spot on, but mind-blowing. A massive shout out to everyone who joined in on the puzzle fun. Now get ready for the grand reveal. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect moment. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. It's your VIP pass to tech wonders and puzzle challenges. Don't miss out on the brain teaser waiting for you at the end of this video. Share your thoughts with the community and let's crack the code together. Now picture this, our Earth's legendary heroes delving into the secrets of today's topic and sharing their wisdom with Pandora's inhabitants. It's a crossover like no other, and you're invited to witness the magic unfold. Stick around until the end. Join the Promote Tech 360 community, and let's embark on this cinematic tech adventure together. Hit subscribe, ring that bell, and let the puzzle unravel.
Trinity, I just watched the video you shared about symbolism in ancient Egypt. It was fascinating. But there's something I couldn't quite grasp: obelisks. What's the deal with those in ancient Egypt?
Oh, Rhea! I'm glad you enjoyed it. Obelisks were monumental pillars with a pointed top, and they were a significant part of ancient Egyptian architecture. They were often erected in pairs at the entrance of temples, and they held profound symbolic meaning.
Really? What did they symbolize?
Well, the obelisk represented the ancient Egyptian concept of the Benben, a mound that arose from the primordial waters and symbolized the first land emerging from chaos. It was also seen as a connection between earth and the divine.
That sounds so intriguing. But why did they place them in pairs?
The pairs were dedicated to the sun god Ra. It's believed that the obelisks, when placed together, represented the duality of life and death, as well as the balance between male and female energies.
Wow, I had no idea. Thanks for explaining. Do you think we could watch the video together? I'd love to dive deeper into this fascinating symbolism.
Absolutely, Rhea. I'd love to watch it again with you. There's so much more to discover, and I'm sure you'll find it even more captivating the second time around. Welcome to the world of ancient Egypt, where colossal structures known as obelisks stood as pillars of power, solar worship, and architectural grandeur. Obelisks, like those at Karnak Temple, were devoted to the worship of the sun god Ra. Their towering forms symbolize sunbeams, and when erected in pairs, they enhance the temple's connection with solar deities. In ceremonies and rituals, obelisks played a crucial role. The obelisk of Hatshepsut at Karnak was a focal point during religious processions, symbolizing the pharaoh's divine connection and the performance of sacred rites. Pharaohs asserted their power with obelisks like Cleopatra's Needles. These monumental structures, commissioned by Thutmose III, showcased Egyptian dominance and glorified the reigning pharaoh beyond the borders. Obelisks were strategically positioned to align with cosmic forces, bridging the earthly and divine realms. The Lateran obelisk in Rome, originally from Karnak, exemplifies this cosmic connection. Obelisks symbolize stability and endurance. Those erected by Ramses II at the Luxor Temple, crafted from red granite, stood as eternal symbols of the pharaoh's enduring rule. Contributing to the grandeur of temples and cities, obelisks like the Lateran obelisk in Rome, re-erected by Sixtus V, added a monumental character to the cityscape. Obelisks were dedicated to various deities, such as those in front of Luxor Temple. These monumental structures were offerings, expressing the pharaoh's piety and devotion to the divine pantheon. Some obelisks served astronomical functions. In the Vatican City, an obelisk from Heliopolis marked the focal point of a sundial, aligning with celestial events as shadows moved along specific lines. In summary, the obelisks of ancient Egypt served a multifaceted role, from religious symbolism and solar associations to expressions of power, architectural aesthetics, and dedication to deities. Each obelisk stood as a unique testament to the rich cultural, religious, and political tapestry of ancient Egypt,